The early morning air is filled with the song the birds sing. In harmony, they rejoice over what beauty the day will bring. Echoing through the canyons and the cathedrals built of trees, on the wind, the melody is carried from the mountains to the seas. They're accompanied by the sound of buzzing from a chorus of busy bees and a symphony of silence and a rustling of the leaves. Distant howls remind us of wisdom that is ancient but never old, providing a lyric that is etched in the memory of all souls. Nature's hymn is a collaboration in which all living things play a part and whose rhythm is what beats each and every heart. Written upon the stars and across the blueness of the sky, nature's hymn is the soundtrack to the story of our lives. It can be heard in the crashing of the waves and the trickling of the streams, sharing with us the secrets of what life on earth means.